Georgia, Fannin, and Gilmer. Winter storm warning in effect from 4 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Wet. Rain will transition to a period of wet snow. This snow could be heavy at times. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 3 inches with isolated higher amounts. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? Portions of north central and northwest Georgia. When? From 4 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions through early afternoon, especially on bridges and overpasses. Temperatures will be slow to rise above freezing. Visibility may drop sharply during periods of heavier snow. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Wind advisory remains in effect.